Now, one of the major applications of matrix and linear algebra is converting a linear system into a matrix, because we can do, or we can have a lot of operations in solving the solutions of linear systems using a matrix. Now, for example, I have here a linear system which is 2x plus 3y equal to 7 and x plus y is equal to -2. The first conversion that I'm going to do is to convert a linear system into an augmented matrix. Now, an augmented matrix is basically dropping the variables in your coefficients and just copying all the numerical value or coefficient in your linear system. So for the first row, I have my first linear system. So I have 2, 3, and 7. So now my augmented matrix for my first row is 2, 3, equal to 7. So this is my x column, y column, and this is the right hand side. And for my second row, I have x plus y equal to -2. So I have 1, 1, and -2. So this is now my augmented matrix, which I converted from the linear system that we have in example number 1. Now, another conversion that we can do in a linear system going to a matrix is what we call as the coefficient matrix. Now, the coefficient matrix is basically the coefficient of your augmented matrix dropping your right hand side. So for this particular linear system, the coefficient matrix is just 2, 3, 1, 1. So this is the coefficient matrix. So we have two conversion for this particular linear system. We have the augmented matrix and a coefficient matrix. And for our second example, this is different for example number 1, because example number 1 we only have x and y for our variable. Now for second example, we have x, y, z for our linear system. So therefore, since we have a three-dimensional system of equation right here, we'll have a different size or order of a given matrix. So to convert this linear system to an augmented matrix, for our first row, we have x, y, -3z equal to 5. So that will be easy, because all we need to do is to drop the variable and copy the coefficient. So we'll have 1, 1, -3 equal to 5. Now for the second row, we have a missing variable. So notice that we don't have the y variable. Now it is very important that you know the placeholder of each variable, because if you mistook this particular linear equation as 0 to 1, 1, then your matrix will no longer be valid. So make sure that you know what is the missing variable in your given linear system. So for equation number 2, or linear equation number 2, we are missing a y. So to change this into an augmented matrix, we'll have 2, 0, 1, and 1. And for our third linear equation, 3y minus x is equal to -2, we are missing the variable z, and also x is located on a different position compared to the first two equations that we have. So you also need to take notice of that. So to convert 3y minus x equal to -2 into our third row in our augmented matrix, it's going to be -1, +3, 0, equal to -2. So this is our augmented matrix, and to change our augmented matrix into the coefficient matrix, just drop your right hand side and you'll have 1, 1, -3, 2, 0, 1, -1, 3, 0, which is basically a square matrix for example number 1 and example number 2. And that is how we apply the linear equation and converting it into a matrix.